Let's say you're moving between two different ClickUp windows. Let's say you have two different monitors, so you're bouncing back and forth between different ClickUp tabs. Let's say you accidentally close a task or a doc and you want to get back to it really quickly. You can always navigate to it using your sidebar navigation. However, that is really inefficient, and you can save a lot of time by quickly going to your search bar. And once you click inside of it, it will automatically open up all of the results of the most recent tasks and docs that you were working inside of. So right away, I can see the task that I was working on and I wanted to get back to without having to search for anything. Now you can also go one step further, and let's say it wasn't one of the most recent tasks or docs you were working in and you want to find it. Let's say it was a doc. You can apply either the task or the docs filter just to get all of those specific results back. And it's really quick, and you'll probably end up using it a lot more than you thought you would. And there's really not much more to say about it than that.